Well, good evening. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Last week was full of action on the weather front, but this week's going to be boring by comparison. Much more stable in the upper atmosphere and a cyclone pulling all the rain far out to sea. Most days will be sunny and hot with barely any breeze after tomorrow. Temperatures are back to normal, which is nice for the Downs. Normal in December is of course rather warm, but not oppressive. The temp range in Toowoomba today was 16 to 26 degrees, bang on average. On the satellite loop now you can see a lot less clouds compared to last week, but there were a few little blobs around far north Queensland during the course of the day. Moving south to north, you might have noticed them on radar. Also, of course, there's that classic swirl of tropical cyclone Ruby, which is going to stay well away from the Australian coast as it heads south or southeast and not present any threat towards Queensland. Let's have a look at today's chart now. You can see there's a cyclone out there. It's in the central or northern Coral Sea. There's another low sitting way below it. And of course there's a high cradling it just around the corner, and together those systems are bringing a slightly cooler southerly air mass into Queensland. It's not affecting the tropics where it's been perpetually hot all these days. On tomorrow's chart, the cyclone actually becomes Cat 3 by this stage, but you can see it's continuing to move away. It will throw a decent swell for most outside reef areas. And of course, by this stage, the wind is dropping because the isobars are opening up. On the outlook chart, it's going to be a fairly warm day with the winds even lighter, especially in the west where this trough is going to draw in northerly winds. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast a flood warning remains for the Condamine, McIntyre and Weir rivers, but a fine and sunny day it will be. 31 degrees for Dalby tomorrow, 33 at Gundawindi, 28 for Toowoomba and Warwick 30. For the southeast coast, again fine and sunny, Gatton and Ipswich 32 degrees and Brisbane 31. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, little or no rain expected this week, and only a very modest chance of showers into the weekend. More notably, it's going to be quite warm and humid day and night. For Warwick, it's the same. Temperatures slightly above average on the whole. There is a little bit of a cool change coming on Friday with a chance of some showers. For Dalby, it's the same sort of cycle. The warmest day is looking to be probably Thursday with a top of 34 degrees, and then again Sunday 34. Now it's back to the team.
And a reminder that you can watch a replay of 7 News on 7plus and catch up on our page at 7news.com.au. From all the team, good night.
Good night.